This is Braggins Adventures.
Hey everybody, it's Andrew with Braggins Adventures, and today we're going to be talking about Carnival Beer brands. We're going to discuss two of their three labels. We're going to talk about the Parched Pig brand, which is in partnership with Guy's Pig and Anchor Brewhouse, and then we're going to talk about the Thirsty Frog, which is a white label product that they partnered with the Beer on the Mainland, and then they get their label slapped on it. We've done both. We've had a good time. Without further ado, let's dive right in.
Hey guys, what's going on? We just finished doing the brewery tour and tasting at the Guy's Pig and Anchor Brewery, Smokehouse, whatever it's called. The Vista class ships all have this size brewery, and it is actually a brewery. It is a functional brewery. They are brewing at sea and serving that beer. In 2021, we came and did the tasting and talked to the master brewer, but because of COVID protocols, they weren't doing the full tour.
Yeah.
This was amazing.
It was so much fun.
$30 a person, but if you have the Cheers package, you get that discount, your 25% discount, which took it down to $22.50. Plus tip. Yeah, tax, tip, all that stuff. Let me tell you, definitely a good time.
Yeah.
What did we end up getting? 5 tasters? 6 tasters?
6.
6 tasters, so 4-ounce pours times 6. Tour of the brewery. A lesson on how to make beer at home, on what processes go into it, flavor profiles, that kind of stuff. And then you also, at the end, you get this cool little certificate Alyssa's going to show you right now. Look at that. Boom. And then what else did we get? We
also got
a free pint at the Pig and Anchor bar afterwards each. Okay?
And my favorite part.
This is so cool. This is custom, only for brewery tours. It has all 3 of the Carnival Beer logos on it. Yeah.
So
look at that.
Cool.
You can't buy this glass. You only get this if you do this. You have to make reservations.
Yep.
In advance.
Yep.
But Satish.
Yes.
I'm butchering that, I'm sure. Satish.
It is Satish.
Dude, he was so energetic and entertaining, and he played off his crowd.
Yeah.
Definitely a good time. While we're thinking about it, huge shout out to Roy and Matt from Canada. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for hanging out with us during the tour. We appreciate you.
Loads of fun.
Loads of fun. And a good time. I highly recommend. You know you've seen us do the alchemy class. Check out that video. We'll link to it after this one. But man, this is a good time.
Yeah, for sure.
All right, guys. I think we are going to go grab another drink, because why not? Oh, bonus notes.
Yes.
If you have the Cheers package and you do this brewery tour, none of it counts against your 15 daily limit. That's a pro tip. And I'm pretty confident the complimentary pint coupon they give you won't either, because they're not going to scan your card. You're going to hand them the coupon, right? So conceivably, if you did this on a day where you were hitting your 15, let's see, 4 times 6, that's another 24 ounces. That's 2 more drinks right there. Plus your free pint. You can hit 18 conceivably. Legally, too. So, worth mentioning. All right, let's go.
All right, guys, then we moved on to the Thirsty Frog label. We tried 2 different beers. The first one's the Thirsty Frog Caribbean Wheat. It was pretty tasty. It's a good light beer. And then there was the Thirsty Frog Red, which is a super tasty beer. They have one available on draft and one available in cans, which I thought was a little weird. Apparently they didn't get a shipment in or something. They were missing a few things on the ship this time. But, you know, the beers are good. These are the 2 you're going to find on most of the Carnival ships. You're going to have easy access to these. They're good beers. They're not bad. They're certainly better than some of the other, like, name brand beers that are served on board. Liked them. Alyssa liked them. We preferred the red over the Caribbean Wheat. But both had their merits. And I'm wondering if I prefer the red over the wheat because the red was on draft and the wheat was in a can. Draft beer is always better. It just is. It's always going to be better. All right, we also have tried a couple of their seltzers. These are also in the Thirsty Frog label. This is the Hibiscus Seltzer. It's not terrible. If you're a seltzer fan, you're probably going to dig it. If you're not a seltzer fan, and seltzers are like the White Claws, you're probably not going to like it. I personally would skip it. I wouldn't get any of the seltzers ever again. I don't think there's value in that 12-ounce can. The pina colada we liked slightly less than the other seltzer, than the hibiscus seltzer. It was okay. It just tasted kind of artificial. All right, guys, so here's our ranking of the drinks you can get with the Carnival labels on them. There's the first place takes the Parched Pig Porter. That's the absolute best one. Followed by the Thirsty Frog Red. Followed by the Parched Pig Amber. Followed by the Thirsty Frog Caribbean Wheat. Followed by the Parched Pig IPA. Followed by the Parched Pig Lager. And then followed by both seltzers with the hibiscus slightly edging out the pina colada. Hey, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye!